Okay. Um, Hello and good afternoon, everyone. In this presentation, we would like to present our seminar proposal. The title of our research is Analysis of Hybrid CAG-RAG for Reducing Latency and Retrieval Inaccuracy in RAG-based Recommendation System. Our supervisor is Mrs. Rosni Lombataruan, and then the examiner, there are two examiner. The first one is Mr. Humasa Tommy Argosi Manjuntak, and then the second one is Mrs. Sarah Rosdiana Tambunan Eskom. Next page. Uh, the overview our presentation is include the eight page. The first one is introduction, and then uh, next to the research problem, and then purpose, scope, methodology, theoretical foundation, research schedule, and then the last one is conclusion. Uh, Next, let's start with the background of our research. First, we are living in the digital information era. The number of internet users has grown rapidly, which is leads to an explosion in the volume of data available online. This creates challenges for user finding relevant information becomes difficult uh, because there are just too many choices and not all of them are accurate or useful. To address these challenges, recommended system have evolved. Modern system can understand semantic context, meaning they don't just match keyword but try to understand the meaning behind users' queries. However, they still have inherent weaknesses, such providing irrelevant recommendation or missing critical information. Another related issue comes from LLM, which while LLM are powerful in the generating human-like information that seems correct but is actually inaccurate. A promising solution to this problem is RAG, or retrieval augmented generation. RAG works by combining the generative capabilities of LLM with real-time retrieval from external sources, improving the accuracy of the generated content and reducing hallucination.
Next, research problem. On this slide, we'll outline the two core research problem that our project aim to address. First, we have retrieval latency. This refers to the time delay that occurs when the system has to search and retrieve information from large external database. This latency becomes a major bottleneck. It significantly slow down the system overall response time, which, as you can imagine, direct the directs the user experience. The second critical problem is retrieval incurrency. The system uh, fail failure to select the most relevant document for a user query. The concepts the consequence of this are severe, uh, especially in our context. It provide the wrong context to the LLM, which drastically decrease the final answer accuracy. Our as have not this distract the model, leading to in relevant outputs. Next, uh, so this slide we have a purpose, and our third purpose is to analyze and implement the application of Chase Augmented Generation or CAG. Within the Retrieval Augmented Generation system, the specific goals here is to reduce the retrieval latency that we identify as a major bottleneck in the information retrieval process. Our second purpose is to evaluate the efficiency efficiency of this CAG RAG hybrid integration. We want to measure its success in increasing that relevance of retrieval results and cons consequently reducing the document retrieval inaccuracy that often occurs in the standard system. Next, uh, to achieve our objective, we have identified a clear scope. And this slide, the scope in the first, let look at significance validation. For this pass, we will utilize the public quotes or Stanford question answering dataset. This is crucial because it provides verified growth truth data for us to build up upon. Our evaluation here will be quantitative. We will measure performance using correct metric such as accuracy, latency, and relevance score. The primary objective of this phase is to experimentally prove the model effectiveness in the control environment. Next, we move to the domain application. Once the model is validated, we will apply it to a specific real-world domain, the TOBA tourist dataset. The evaluation method here shift in instead of just quantitative metric, we will assess response quality and relevancy through manual assessment. Our user judgment, the objective of second phase is to measure the model performance and retrieval relevance in a practical real-world context, moving beyond the control lab setting. Next. Now let's discuss the methodology we will use to conduct this research. This research entails the quantitative methods. We have choose this method because our primary goals is to objective proof whether the performance hybrid CAG RAG architecture is demonstrably superior to a conventional RAG system. By using a quantitative approach, we can really measure data such as the latency time, accuracy per stack, and relevance score. We mention in the scope to draw statistically significant conclusion. This allow us to move beyond subjective claim, provide hard if evidence of the system performance. And next, to understand our methodology, it's important to first establish the theoretical foundation. Our research is built on the integrations of three key concepts. First is the recommendation system. As the slide states, this information filtering system. It is a primary job to predict and suggest item or contact such as product, movie, or in our case, tourist information that users might be interested in. This set that overall context for our application. Second is the LLM or large language model. This is the agents of our system. It is a computational model generally based on the transformer architecture which has have been trained on massive text data. This training gives it the powerful ability to understand and generate human language. Finally, and move central to our work is RAG retrieval augmented generation. R- RAG is a hybrid model in combined parametric memory, which is the key knowledge storage within the pre-trained LLM with non-parametric memory, which is external document uh, indexed to database. Next.
Okay, here is a brief summary of the 20 to 24 paper done at AG, when CAG is all you need for knowledge tasks. For tasks with static and limited knowledge base, the research found that CAG is significantly faster and more efficient than RAG. CAG was able to achieve a comparable accuracy to RAG in these scenarios without needing expensive external retrieval for every queries. The main conclusion is that RAG can be an inefficient overkill for static use case, making CAG a superior alternative in those specific situations. However, its key limitation is the inability to handle dynamic, new, or unseen information that was not part of the initial cache loading process. In this slide, outlines the schedule for the first phase of our research from September to December. We will dedicate the initial month, September and October, to the foundational work. This includes problem formulation and extensive literature study and problem analysis. Starting in November, our focus will shift to the practical groundwork beginning with the exploration and understanding of our dataset. Finally, the month of December, we will be intensive as we will conduct the data processing and analysis, which will run in parallel with the core design of our hybrid RAG architecture. This concludes the first semester and prepares us for the implementation phase. Moving on the second phase of our research, this timeline details our plan from January to June. We will begin the year by dedicating January and February to system implementation, where we will build the functional prototype of our architecture. Following that, from late February to April, we will conduct rigorous system testing to gather performance data. The months of May and early June, we will be focused on the analysis of results and evaluation, where we will interpret the data from our experiment. Finally, we will conclude the research in June by drawing our conclusion and providing suggestions for our future work. In closing, we would like to convey that this research aims to prove that the integration of caching, or we call as CAG, with retrieval or RAG, is an effective solution. This concludes our research proposal presentation on the hybrid CAG-RAG architecture. We hope that this research can provide meaningful. We hope that this research can provide a meaningful contribution. Thank you for your attention, lecturers, and the colleges.